Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are just finished wrapping up all my filming content for the week. It's gonna be a good week. Yeah, I want to take you guys with me, take you guys along the journey and really just show you what a week in the life of what I do looks like. So it will be exciting. There's a lot of things that we're gonna get done this week. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's fucking get it. So we just finished creating 2 digital products. Joel's been cooking and a lot done. 1 paid product, 1 free product. And this is gonna lead to a high ticket offer on our value ladder. So it's all coming together. It's gonna look really, really good once it's all done, but we're just building everything out today. And yeah, stay tuned for what it's gonna look like. But it's now 10 o'clock. I think we'll head to bed soon. All right, new day. Editing some photos this morning. Got a call with one of my students as well inside of the Modern Filmmaker Blueprint. Pretty busy day. Got just a lot of work that needs to be done in front of the computer. So really smashing all of that stuff out this morning. Finishing some edits from last week actually. Just needed to quickly get done. A few other things I need to do this Savo, but ultimately just gonna be sitting there all day. So let's get it. Now another call with a potential editor. Yeah, see how it goes. 3:26, got a few other things I need to do, just sending off a brief for a shoot on Wednesday, today's Monday, and then just need to make a tiny little edit on a video, and then got a coaching call at 5 o'clock for the Modern Filmmaker Blueprint. And then need to send a few other reels off to some editors, and then that's... We got Pancho here, mate. Pancho, he's from Belgium. How are we finding it, brother?
I mean, technically I'm not from Belgium, from Chile, dude.
You live there, bro. You live there.
I live here, yeah.
10:18, just got back from futsal. Actually forgot to record it. Just getting a tiny bit more work done before I go to bed. Just absolutely flat out for this week. It's insane. Just working day and night, getting shit done. But it's good. It's good. A lot of big things coming, so might head to bed soon. Alright, so now it's Tuesday, heading off to another shoot. This one is at our regular real estate client's office, just filming them doing their weekly sales meeting. And then we'll go back home, got another shoot later on, but then I need a plan for our shoot tomorrow up in Shepparton, and just map out everything and what the day's gonna look like pretty much. All of that.
His business? Yeah, all of that. All of that. I got BTS though.
Got about 2 hours back in front of the computer. Just offloading everything, making sure everything's organised. Don't want to miss anything and just don't want to have to go back to certain files and shit. So rather just get everything done now. Exports are done. Got the SD cards. Let's quickly smash this out. Got to head out by 4. Always moving quick. There's so many things that I need to do, and you really just got to limit distractions when it comes to this sort of stuff. You genuinely have to make the most of your time. I've only got 2 hours to do this, and if I don't, then it's going to get pushed into tomorrow, and it's just going to get dragged out. So just being efficient and just being quick in the game that we're playing is super important. If you're not efficient and you're not quick, you're going to lose the game. Alright, off to the next shoot. I'm just in the car, taking in as much value as I can. There's no point wasting time listening to music and just doing nothing. A creator that I've actually been loving recently has been Sui, or Suway, I believe you pronounce his name. And he's got some great content just about all your online offers and just honestly building a good business. And yeah, he's extremely young, so he's got a very established business, and I actually just love the direction he's taken everything. And yeah, I love all the information that Suway gives. So I always try and take in as much as I can when I listen to his stuff and try and implement it into my own business. And yeah, I mean, who knows? All these creators that you listen to one day, you may meet them. So, you know, respect them, leave a comment on their posts, and yeah, who knows what could happen. Here he is. Where are we?
Welcome to Essendon.
swear it's nights like this where it's 10:04 at night, you've been working all day, and you still got to smash out a ton of work when you get back home. It's just the most draining thing, but I think those are the moments that really test you, and they're the moments that really push you as a person. Like, not a lot of people are willing to stay up till 10 o'clock even and just do work. And I just got home and I'm still doing work. And it's just those moments that you got to push through and really know that you're playing the long game, and all these small moments add up. Okay, so we're back in this exact same spot, and it's actually annoying because we had a cancellation for our shoot. It was meant to be an all-day shoot today up in the country, but there's some few issues, so the shoot actually got pushed out to next week, it's just very unfortunate, because when you plan everything around your day and then it just doesn't go to plan, you got to really just adapt quickly and work out what's the most important things you can get done if that's not going ahead. So now I'm just catching up on an edit that I needed to finish today just to get it out of the way and get it done. These things happen, life gets in the way, and whenever you're running a business, these things do come up, but we have to adapt, otherwise I'm just going to sit here and do nothing. Honestly, still stuck doing a fair bit of editing, but that's all right. Just getting it done, smashing it out. Getting shit done. And I think this is the best place to be locked in right now. No distractions, nothing. Just getting the work done that needs to be done. What needs to move the needle forward in order to make everything grow. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so it's a new day. Sun's just rising. 6:20 a.m. Going to the gym, and I think mornings like these just makes you feel grateful. Especially right now, the sun's rising. It's a fresh start, and every single time in the morning, I always focus on the things that I am grateful for just in my life. I could focus on all the negatives that happened to me yesterday and all the things that didn't really go to plan. But what I do want to focus on is every single thing in my life that I am grateful for, because I believe that if I can just create so much positivity in my life, all it's going to bring is more positivity. Alright, so I just got to the gym. I honestly think I need some sort of like a videographer as well that can come with me and film. It's so hard to vlog everything that I'm doing and just vlog my life, as well as try and do every single thing in my day, because there's a lot to do. We'll switch to iPhone and get some iPhone clips of the workout. I do wear headphones to the gym because I find that it's more of a distraction. Like, be natural. Do the thing that you're supposed to do without distracting yourself with music. So, let's go. Very cheeky back and buys workout. I was with my mate Rami. Always good working out with your mate. He came halfway through because he was doing shoulders, but we did a bit of arms together. And yeah, such a good day. It's about 7:55 right now. Just a great way to stretch off the gym sesh, stretch out the legs, and go for a little walk before you get into work. How are you, buddy? Oh, he's gonna shit on me. No. Alright, so it's Thursday. Every weekday, Mum and I go for a walk just around the block. It's just a great way to get out before you get into work and stretch the legs, and it's just nice when the sun's out. Don't you think, Mum?
I love it. I love this time of the morning.
It's just good to spend a little bit of time together in the morning while the sun's out with our dog. Alright, so setting up a little video today. Getting some content for personal brands. Got a student coming in from Brizzy, so Joel's going to do a little episode with him, and we're just making this video solely for content. Not a podcast, but just a YouTube video sit down. We just wrapped up our talk. Got Mark here. How are you, brother?
So,
nice to meet you, bro.
You too, man.
Joel and I just filmed our little, I don't know, I guess you call it podcast. And we got Mr. Sadrach here.
Yo, yo, yo.
How are you, brother?
All the way from Brizzy.
All the way from Brizzy, mate.
Exactly.
Welcome, bro.
Melbourne's been good. Treating me well.
I'm glad you liked it. He's part of the Joel and my program, so the Modern Filmmaker Blueprint. And yeah, it's actually finally good to meet you in person, bro.
Exactly, bro.
Come on,
bro. Blessing, man. I'm happy to meet you.
Just finished the workout, Friday morning, and the funny thing is, no one was fucking there. People are too lazy. Get to Friday, I think, fuck. Weekend's right around the corner, can't be fucked. But the ones who win, they fucking get to the gym. Alright boys, so it's been a hectic week, that's for sure. There was a lot that happened, and honestly, I'm drained. It's always draining going through those very busy periods, but ultimately pushing through those times where you don't feel like doing the work and you still get it done, that's where the reward comes. And so it's less about urging for that feeling of actually just wanting to do well. That's what you feed off. And that's what keeps driving me forward. Like that feeling of just making progression, and I continuously move the needle every day. Like that's what I want to do, and that's what I want to keep doing every single day. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know. I actually want to know if you guys enjoy my vlogs and all that sort of stuff, and if you get any value from me posting this sort of stuff. But overall, subscribe, support me in any way you guys can. I love all the support you guys give me. And I think that's pretty much it for me, guys. We'll speak soon.